Welcome back to TechRadar. I'm Gareth Beavis, Global Editor-in-Chief, and I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max for about a week now. This is a big phone with some really big features, so let's find out how I got on. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is the biggest iPhone Apple has ever made, but it's also the best. Well, you'll only agree if you don't mind spending a larger amount for the privilege, and don't mind a huge phone about your person day to day. The design of the iPhone 12 Pro Max mirrors that of 2020's iPhone 12 range, a new flat-sided frame which looks industrial and is a little less comfortable to hold than last year's model. It's decked out in premium-looking, more muted colours though, and we're fans of the shiny metal rim around the edge, despite the fact it's a real fingerprint magnet. While the iPhone 12 Pro Max is actually a very small amount bigger than last year's 11 Pro Max, the bezels around the OLED display have been shrunk to allow it to increase to a 6.7-inch display, and it's a real reason to pick up the new larger iPhone. Images are clearer and more visible on the larger display, you can see more of a web page or image in daily use, and as a movie-watching machine, it's the best we've ever experienced on an iPhone. It's one of the best displays on the market and manages colourful scenes and more muted images with ease. The headline feature on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max is the camera. 3 sensors, all upgraded with a better image processor inside the new iPhone. While they do really stick out of the rear of the phone, the main 12 megapixel sensor is upgraded to let in a lot more light, so that's where the size comes from, and enhancements have been made to the post-snap too. Some of the images we took were really impressive. However, the 12 Pro Max wasn't that far ahead of the 12 Pro's camera performance in our tests, which was surprising. The images were, on the whole, clearer and brighter from the 12 Pro Max, but not by a huge amount. If you're a budding movie maker, we say it's definitely worth looking at the 12 Pro Max. It's packing Dolby Vision recording at 4K and 60 frames per second, so if you want a phone that can record excellent footage for your filming, the 12 Pro Max can definitely do that. For the non-videographers, the HDR recording will yield better movies, with brightness and colour improved, but it can look a little artificial and will take up more storage on your phone. It's not a feature that most should look to upgrade for. The 12 Pro Max starts at 128GB of storage, which is lucky as the cameras will fill it up quickly, and with 5G on board, you'll be able to download content to your phone much more simply too. 5G is the future of mobile connectivity, but it's not a reason to buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max, well, yet. Many parts of the world still don't have 5G coverage, so many will find this feature redundant for now. In the next few years though, connectivity will be much more widespread, so buying a 5G iPhone is much more about future-proofing than current next-gen speeds, unless you live in the heart of a major city. Even so, 5G mostly just brings faster speeds, though they're even faster than Wi-Fi for most, and you might not feel like that's something missing from your life right now. Apple's also added the innovative MagSafe to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that enables you to magnetically clip chargers, cases, and accessories to your new iPhone. We like this addition, and more accessories are appearing all the time right now. MagSafe will only get better as time goes on, and getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max will future-proof you when more accessories appear on the market. Like the larger display, one of the big reasons to go for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the battery life. It's got the biggest battery thanks to having the largest chassis. We easily crested a day in our testing, and even on a hard pushing battery day, we got to 7:30 PM before we needed the charger. If you've read the iPhone 12 Pro review and are worried whether it will last long enough, we advise moving up to the Max. If you want the best of all things on an Apple smartphone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is it. The large and bright display, the enhanced camera, the longer battery life, and awesome grunt inside make this a compelling smartphone. If your hands can cope with the extra heft, and your wallet too, this is the model to go for. However, if it seems a little much for you, the iPhone 12 Pro offers a similar performance and feature set but without the extended battery life, and the camera difference isn't as marked as we expected. Thank you for watching. That was my video review on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Is this the phone for you? Is it too big? Is it too expensive? Would you rather have the iPhone 12 mini? We do want to hear from you, and we love reading the comments. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to TechRadar, because we want to see you more. We're going to have latest coverage on all the latest phones and all the top tech. So hit that like button, subscribe to us, and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you get all of the latest videos straight to you as soon as they happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.